Is this the first video of 2021? Oh, wow. Then we're starting out with a bang, y'all. It is 8 a.m. and I'm going to attempt to do your guys' homework. Now, I was really cocky about this. I was like, I'll be able to do it. And then you guys started sending me your homework. No, I already got a headache. I keep looking at the homework and being like, I recognize these words. I don't know what they mean though. It's like looking at a foreign language and being like, I know all these letters, sure, but they don't make the words that I know. So this is it. I'm just gonna attempt your homework. I asked you guys to send it to me on Twitter. I'm not gonna get anything right. It's gonna just be really frustrating. Okay, I got my paper and pencil, a whiny dog next to me. Let's figure this out. Okay, y equals mx plus b, slope-intercept. I remember these words. Oh dear God, we're all gonna die. Okay, write an equation in slope-intersect form where the line You do the thing where you read and you're like just gonna assume what the next words are gonna be. You can't do that with math because you never know what in the world's gonna happen. Okay, write an equation in slope-intersect form for the line with the slope of 3/4 and a y-intercept of -2. Wait. So slope-intercept, okay, so it's y equals mx plus b, okay? So the slope is m and the intercept is -2. Wait, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so this is y equals 3/4 x minus 2. Yeah, wait, it already told me the answer. Well, at least I figured it out. Okay, that one was done. It was an example. I figured it out. There we go. Oh God, no. Okay. Simultaneous linear equations in 2 variables. Solve the following equations. Are these one equation? Wait, okay. Oh dear God. Okay, so, oh God, no. Okay, so 7, okay, they're all different equations, right? There's 4 equations. Okay, so to simplify that would be, I don't know what is simplifying. 7x plus 35 equals 2y plus 6, right? Is that simplifying or not? Oh, and then you do the thing. You do the thing. Oh, I don't remember the thing, where the things that are like the other thing go on the other side of the equation, right? So like somehow I would combine, oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, yeah. Okay, so yeah, okay. So it would be 7x minus 2y equals -29, okay? Right? Because you minus it from one side of the equation and put that on the other. Okay, yeah, so it's 7x minus 2y equals -29, right? Right? Am I wrong? Tell me I'm wrong. Is that solving? I didn't solve the equation, but I simplified it. Do I need to do more? That seems like a lot of work. That seems like a lot of work to do that. Wait, then how does it become x plus y equals blank? Oh, because I have to do more things. Wait, don't you like divide the whole thing by 2 and then divide the whole thing by, oh no. So you get rid of all the numbers. What I'm doing. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, so then, that doesn't make any sense. Okay, so then maybe maybe you don't divide the whole thing, maybe you just, I hate this so much. I know you're supposed to divide. I am aware of that, and it's gonna piss me off. Hold on, can I type this into Google? Are you allowed to do that? Solve the properties of a straight. Sure, I have no idea what we're doing. Oh, so I was doing it right. Oh, okay. Wait, so, oh, I get it. Oh, okay. So I did do that for simplification correctly. Okay, so x equals the 29 divided by 7. -29 divided by 7, right? Which is 4 point, okay, yeah. Okay. See, I haven't done this in a while, so I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. Okay, so x, I figured it out. This makes sense to me. Okay, let me see if I can do another one. Okay, so now that I got that, now that I figured out what I'm supposed to do, let's see if I can do the other one. So 3 parentheses x minus y in parentheses equals 2x minus y. So that would be 3x minus 3 equals 2x minus y. Well, now you got too much happening. Okay, so that is x minus 3 equals -y. So that's -3 equals negative x minus y. Oh God, there's a lot happening here. So then, I don't like that equation. It's too many negatives. Wow. That's a lot of things happening. So are the x and y intercepts both equal 3? I don't know if I believe that. I don't know if that's it. Let me see. I don't know if I simplified it correctly. X equals negative 3. What does y equal? Negative 3. How? I don't get, we're going on to the next one. I don't get how life works. I don't get it. Okay, next thing. We attempted, we kind of figured it out, but like we don't have to master it. Oh, dividing polynomials? Get out. This is a line puzzle? Directions. Divide the polynomials, because I know what that is, on the left and match with the quotients on the left using, wait, there's two things on the left? Divide the polynomials on the left and match with the quotients on the left using a straight edge. They're both on the left? If a line goes through a number and a letter, put the letter in the number box, but they're both on the left. How are they both on the left? One of them's gotta be on the right. I'm supposed to simplify this? Stop it. I refuse. This is garbage. Okay, trash. I'm really bad at division. So it's x squared minus 4x minus 35, x squared minus, okay, but then you have a negative 8 divided by negative 8, then this gets complicated. But you can only do things that have to do with the things. No, I'm mad because they're both on the left. One of them's gotta be on the right, people. I don't accept that. Oh God, why is it all math? Because that's the only thing you guys can really send me, huh? I'm not gonna like write your essays for you. Solve by factoring. I don't remember how to factor. This looks like an equation I did a million times in school. How to factor. Oh, factoring practice. Okay, we have instructions. Great. See, when they say like, I don't know what they mean. I need an exact example and then I can follow that. But like, if you're like, oh, factor it. Oh, simplify it. Oh, quadratic formula. I could do them all, I just don't know what any of that means. It's gibberish to me. Okay, factoring numbers. Don't tell me what factoring is. Just like, show me how to do it. What? This doesn't make any sense. I need a video. I'm learning the diamond method right now. And it's all flooding back to me and giving me trauma. I think I figured it out. I think I figured it out. I think I figured it out. Factoring, I had to figure out what factoring meant. And it's two factors. Those are your two factors, okay? Okay, so let's try it again. We're going to question number 2. 0 equals y squared minus 10y plus 25. So then you do the diamond method, but I don't think you have to because the y squared has an invisible 1 in front of it and not a bigger number, but I'm not gonna look up multiple ways to do this because I think that this works. Okay, so the top of the diamond is a times c, which would be 25. And the bottom of the diamond is b, which is negative 10. What two numbers times together equal 25, but added together equal negative 10? So that would be negative 5 for both, right? Negative 5 times negative 5 equals 25, but added together would equal negative 10, correct? Okay, so then it would be y squared minus 5y minus 5y plus 25. Then you do separate, you do separate, so they're separate, okay? So then you got those two things, and then you factor things out. So you could factor y out of the first one, so it would be y parentheses y minus 5 in parentheses, and then it would be to factor out a 5 out of that one, so it would be 5 parentheses y negative y? Would it be negative y? Negative y plus 5. Oh no, that's different. That's very different. I get the basics. No, we're done. We're done. I figured it out for the most part. If I needed to, I could do it. Okay, we're only gonna do a couple more here because my brain, like I feel like I'm on the edge of it. I just need someone to tell me like yes or no. Because that's the problem with this is that I don't know if I'm actually doing it correctly or not. Oh, the quadratic formula. X is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Let's see if I can figure out, I know the quadratic formula. Let's see if I can figure it out. Okay, so we have 6r squared minus 9r minus 15 equals 0. Okay, so we're solving for x, which is r. So we're solving for r. So r is equal to negative b, which would be a positive 9. X is equal to negative b plus or minus, we can't decide apparently, the square root of negative 9 squared. X is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times 4ac. God, I have to keep saying this stupid formula. I should write down the formula. I'll write it down. X is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, so it's 4 times negative 15 times 6. Dear God. All over 2 times 6. Okay. This is what we have. This is what I've written out. This is the quadratic formula. In my brain, this is what's going on. Okay, so then you simplify. You gotta simplify. Just bring it down. So, minus. Wait! Okay. So 4 times 15 times 6, make that a negative. But since you're minusing it, so it's 81 plus 360. 81 plus 360, okay? So that is 441 divided by 12. Can you square root a decimal? So it's the square root of 36.75? Let me Google that. Can you have that be the square root? What are you plus or minusing? Why can't you decide? Whose decision is this? Square root of 36.75. So it's 9 plus or minus 6.06. And that's what r equals. I don't know how to choose if you're plus or minusing it, but r equals that. You can figure out from there if this is what I got. I probably did it really wrong. But I got r equals 9 plus or minus 6.06. I don't know. Who knows? I don't know. Oh God, the equations y equals x squared plus 6x plus 8 and y equals x plus 2 times x plus 4 both define the same quadratic function without graphing. Oh, thank God, I wasn't gonna graph. Identify the x and y intercepts on the graph. Explain how you know. Well, obviously, in this scenario, you use the diamond. I don't know. Next one. Oh God, is this a word problem? The table shows the frequency. Oh, just like how often. Oh, we were like doing like vibrations of a school type for a number of schools. The table is incomplete. Clearly. Write down the information missing from the table. How many schools are categorized as independent? Okay. So the percentage has to equal, oh, this is easy. Oh, we can do this. This is great. Okay, so if we know the total, so you just minus, okay, so the percent, first off, high. It's 100%. So you know that's the total. So you minus the two numbers you do have, 25 minus 20. So the government is 55%. We know that. We got that. That was easy. Okay? And then you add the numbers together. So yes, I'm using a calculator for 4 plus 11 plus 5, which is 20. Yes. So the total is 20 and the percent missing is 55. Look at me. Guys, nailed that one. Please tell me this is like for third graders. How many schools are categorized as independent? 5 schools. How many schools are there in total? 20. What percentage of schools are categorized as government? 55%. Use the information in the frequency table to complete the following report describing the distribution of school types for these schools. 20 schools were classified according to school type. The majority of these schools, 55%, were to be government. Of the remaining schools, 20% were Catholic, 25% were independent, and 20% were Catholic. There, I solved it. Oh God, that was a lot of work. I'm exhausted. I think that's it, guys. I think that was more homework than I've done in 20 million years. When did I graduate? I graduated when I was like 23, 22, 23, 21. Graduated when I was 21? I haven't done homework in 8 years. So I'm exhausted. My head 100% hurts. I hope you enjoyed yourself. I didn't. I am so sorry you have to still do homework. I went through my years of it. I did it. Figure out how you learn. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Find tutors and friends who can explain it to you the way that your brain understands. That's what I had to figure out. I hired friends as my tutors because I figured out that they could explain it to me better than a teacher could, because that's how my brain works. So this is the only way I passed math ever, was because I found friends that could explain it in a different way. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Homework sucks, school sucks, but do it. You will never regret doing your homework and doing well in school. You'll never regret, no, you might not do well, but you will never regret trying your hardest. That's all. I love you lots. If you guys like this, I'll do it again. Maybe we can do a different subject. Maybe I can help you with history. I'm really bad at science, guys. Math I can kind of get. Subscribe to see videos every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel. Like this video if you liked it. Let me know what other videos you guys want me to see. New year, new me. Let's do different stuff. Let's have fun. Check out my vlog channel where I'm posting 3 to 5 times a week. And you're beautiful, you're wonderful, so am I. This coffee's making me need to go poop, so I'm gonna go do that. Peace out. This chair is squeaky.